All right, everybody, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here. Today we're at Playa Linda in Puntarenas Province. Pretty close to Dominical, actually, pretty close to Dominical. We're going to be doing a walking tour here, and there's a sloth just up here we're going to go check out. Hopefully he's still there. I hope they move slow because, so he didn't escape or anything like that. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment, as always, with your questions. Feedback, requests, let me know if you've been to this beach here, Playa Linda. Really nice beach. Really nice beach. Very undeveloped here. Very undeveloped, but there's still a lot of people out enjoying it. This beach goes on literally forever. But before we begin the walking tour, let's talk about how to get here. So guys, the nearest international airport is in San José, where you'll get your rental car, airport transfer. You can take a bus as well. You'll start heading west towards the coast. You'll go by Puntarenas, you go by Jacó. You're going to pass by Quepos as well. This drive takes about 3 hours and 30 minutes. And the entrance to the beach is right off the main highway. And that will bring you right to this intersection right here. This is like the main intersection of Playa Linda. So the beach road goes on for a while in both directions. It goes south and north. I think it goes north a little bit less to the north. And now this is the sign you'll be looking for. There's a couple flags, blue flag and a Costa Rica flag right there. And of course a sign that says Playa Linda. Pretty cool. Guys, we're going to do a live water test. We're going to do a live water test. See how the water feels. I haven't even gone in the water yet. I've been here for a couple hours. But I've been filming videos. I just uploaded a video to the ambient channel. So I have two channels, one where I talk, one where I don't talk. And I did about a 10-minute video, and I drove from that end all the way down to that end. And I could have kept going, but then I just was like, man, it's already 10 minutes. It was pretty cool, though. There's a bunch of people like overlanding down there. They had tents attached to their trucks. And you can see, I'll zoom in on the beach here. Kind of give you an idea. There's a lot of people. And if you go, I want to say 10 kilometers that way, you'll be in Dominical. And then if you go 20 kilometers past that, you're in Ubita. And now I think it ends at an estuary, and then you're in Playa Mozambique. I think we got a video on this channel of Playa Mozambique, which is very much closer to Dominical. So that beach road probably goes, I don't know, maybe, I'm going to guess 5 kilometers. But if it starts becoming a little sandy, and I was on the a road moto, and it was getting a little sloppy and loose. And I don't like it sloppy and loose. I like it tight. The Sloth is right over there, guys. We're going to go check that out. Now, going that way, eventually you're in Quepos. We've got videos up recently of Quepos, Manuel Antonio. I did a moto tour, actually, in Manuel Antonio. So, guys, if I reference any videos and you want to see them, you don't want to, like, hunt through the channel. I know where they all are, so just leave me a comment. I can give you that. Now, before we get in the water, guys, these water shoes are so good. They have holes in the bottom. I'm not that flexible. These shoes are great. I'm going to put a link on screen in case you're watching on the TV. You can pause the video, and it'll take you to the Amazon link. And the link is in the description below, along with some other stuff that I find useful during my travels in Costa Rica. So the cool thing about this beach is that, although it's on the Pacific, it's pretty like calm. It's pretty swimmable. You can see a lot of kids out here swimming. The water just hit me. It's not cold. It's not cold. Refreshing. Definitely refreshing. But look at how the waves break. So you can see there's little kids out in the water pretty far out into the break, and they're chilling. Right? They're in like a foot of water. So this is a good beach. If you're in Dominical, you got young kids, want to go hang out in the water. And I definitely feel like this part of the beach compared to Dominical is like much calmer, much better for swimming, I would say. That's my assessment. So look at this, nice calm break. I don't know, I'm just kind of making up words here, guys. I'm not like a meteorologist, right? Just trying to describe it in the best way I know how, which is usually like a vocabulary about Dr. Seuss level. And where's that sloth? I want the sloth. He's been sleeping in the, I don't want to assume his gender. It's been sleeping in the tree all day. And I decided to film this video now because he or she woke up and started moving around a bit. So maybe we could get some cool footage of some more movement, right? Because he's been kind of like concealing his face. Probably like a survival thing, right? So it doesn't get eaten. something like that. I don't know. Now look at how big this beach is, right? Look at it. It's the size of this. This is like, man, from where the waves are, it's like 200 meters. Just an estimate. Now, in that video, guys, where I just uploaded for the ambient, I started right down there. Am I pointing at it? Where is it? It's so sunny. It's so sunny in that direction. And there's mist. But I basically started right down there. And when you get down to that end, the beach kind of ends, and there's a big estuary kind of flattened area. So it looks like there's people down there, though, at the other side of the estuary when I was down there. Now, the Sloth is right here. Guys, I also have a video up in Dominical. I was just randomly down there filming some stuff. And a sloth was just like out of the tree. Just kind of like came down. It was pretty cool. So this sloth hasn't come down yet. I think if I've read enough, right? If I've read enough, they come down at dusk and dawn. That's when they're more active. And during the day, they're just chilling. They're just chilling, right? It's kind of like me. I mean, I'm a sloth, now to think of it. I just don't have chlamydia that I know of. Guys, I've heard there's a rumor that sloths have chlamydia. That's why I said that. Okay, let's change the topic here. We're back at the road. Guys, we're back at the road now. Where's the sloth at? Luckily, I got some pictures of him just in case he decides to dip. Oh, there he is. No, he's moving around a bit. Dude, he's sprawling. Oh my God, dude, he looks so comfy. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in here. Guys. There we go. So there's the sloth. He's kind of like changed his position. Look at how he's hanging out there. He's like laid back with his lower legs wrapped around the twig. That is max chiliendo. Wow. Let's try to get a different angle of this guy. I don't know what's going on over there. Something going on over there. People have been walking over there. Oh, there he is. Okay, we can't see his face right now. That's unfortunate. I am going to put a picture on screen of when he was showing his face off. Look at that. Dude, this guy has perfected the art of not giving a F at all. I would have never thought to chill in a tree with a leg wrap. He's put that twig in a guard position, right? He's got the twig in guard, and he's using it. He's just defeated that twig for the purpose of literally not doing anything. Oh man, take notes, guys. Take notes. Brilliant strategist, the sloth. Guys, so that's the little tour here of Playa Linda, once again in Puntarenas Province. As always, hit like, hit subscribe. Check the link down below for the water shoes. They are absolutely good, guys. I'm not just saying that. They're really good water shoes. They're great for here. Because you know what? One thing I didn't mention, guys, if you come to this beach, literally you have to bring shoes. This sand is so hot. It's insane. It's actually insane. Even when I'm walking, and the sand, when it was hot, was going like this, felt like boiling water lapping over my feet. It was crazy. Sand's pretty hot. Guys, so thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed that video. See you on the next one. Bye now.